So I got in the Undercover Armor Flex cover. Do you see something wrong with this box? Oh, this is how it was at the front door. As you can see here, totally ridiculous that it was delivered like this. I'm hoping it's okay when I open it. Hopefully there's enough padding that it's not a big deal. Hopefully it's really not bent, and those panels are supposed to be pretty dang strong. So we're gonna see right now. But as you can see, it's pretty bent. It's a big bow. So let's have a look. Okay, because I'm at home, you know, this is gonna be hard. I don't have all my tripod stuff here. It's all at the shop, but let's cut it open. And we're gonna find out. I think they could have done a better packing job. Tape. Let's see what we have. Okay, it's open. I think it's just that they lack packing. You have styrofoam or something, keep it rigid, you know. This would be the rails. Are they good? I don't know. That's why I'm videoing this. So proof, should I need it. Here's all the hardware. I want to see if I can install this later today onto the 2016 F150. I'm going to say there was just enough play in the box that these things moved, or you know, the box is deep enough that there was enough bend just in the box, but not in these, because these are pretty strong. They claim like, I want to say like 600 pounds or something. I'll have to look it up, but quite a bit of weight can be supported. You can sit on these, so it looks good in that regard. Nothing looks damaged. I think it's straight, so we'll find out. Hopefully the same here, that the rails, everything just had enough flex within this outer box that it gave the illusion of the product might be bent, and it's not. I would just tell Undercover they need some foam in here, or that really thick packing cardboard that would just give rigidity, maybe in the corners, you know, just so the box can't bend. Because it's FedEx, man, they don't care. I mean, it's one day late as it was from the original delivery date. So there we have it. There's the Undercover. You get stuff. It might not be packed really that well, but it did show up. It looks okay. I'll find out when I lay it down and see if it's flat, but it seems flat from here. And we'll find out if the rails are good. And yeah, this is how it comes. So check out the next video of installing on a 2016 F150. Mine's an XL with a 6.7 bed, which really they're all the same other than the bed length. So there we have it. Have a good one. Bye.